Hello class, Mr. Linder here. In this video, I want to show you how to utilize the tools in Mastering. So now that you've registered for Mastering, I want to show you some of the different things that Mastering can do for you. So when you're logged into your course, you want to click on the My Lab and Mastering link. That's actually one of the first things you want to do when you come into your Canvas course. And then go ahead and open up My Lab and Mastering. That way it logs you into Mastering every time you are doing assignments. So once you're into Mastering, you can actually go back to your main Canvas course. If you just click your little tab on the screen, it'll take you back to the main course. You can go into modules, and you can be working on any of the modules that you need to be working on. If you get to a mastering assignment, now that you're logged into mastering, if you click on the homework assignment, this tab here that says Chapter 1 Homework, if you click on it, it's going to take you immediately to the assignments page within mastering. Okay. It won't do that though if you haven't logged in. When you first get into Canvas, it'll say that your session has expired. I want to take you back though to the course home for Mastering. So if you go into Mastering, this is the first thing that you'll see when you just log into it. And you can pull up the calendar for Mastering. So if we just click on the calendar, and it shows you the calendar for the assignments for that month that you're looking at. So here we have Chapter 1 homework, and it tells you when it's available and when it's due, the Chapter 1 quiz, and so forth. And then you can change the month. And so you can take a look at all the assignments for the next month. And then it also shows you when your first lecture examination is going to be. So that's the calendar view for Mastering. If you come over to the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see access to your e-text. You'll also see an area that says Study Area. The Study Area is going to be very helpful for you. So if we click on Study Area, and then we can launch the Study Area, this is going to take you to other things that are going to be useful for you while you're in Mastering. So you can do some studying by chapter. If you have a particular chapter you want to work on, you can do that. Here's access to your e-text again. You have practice quizzes that you can take. There are videos and animations that you can watch on various topics that are built into Mastering. You also have something called interactive physiology. You can go through and do various activities and answer questions on more difficult concepts in physiology. And then you have access to PhysioEx, which is your virtual laboratory. And then there are some additional study tools that you can take a look at as well. So feel free to come back to the study area and try any of these things. I want to show you the PhysioEx since we'll be doing some virtual labs through this. If you just click on the arrow, it's going to take you to the exercises page. So we're going to open up the exercises, and you'll see a list of various activities and exercises that are found in your virtual PhysioEx simulations. One of the first ones that you're going to do is exercise 1, which is cell transport. That comes up in week 3 of the semester. And in order to do the activities, you simply just click on activity 1. And it shows you the objectives, and then you can look at the introduction and so forth. I like to just click on the hamburger tab up here. If I want to read about this particular activity, I can just click on the introduction. But if I want to actually do the experiment, then I just quickly go to experiment, and then it will tell me what to do. So in this experiment, you have beakers set up, and it tells you to drag a membrane in between the beakers. And then if you click next, it's going to tell you what to dispense into each beaker so that you can do a diffusion experiment. So when you are done with that particular activity, then you can go back and you can change to another activity within the PhysioEx. So if you're done with this one and you've done everything that you want to do, you can simply go back to the PhysioEx tab. You can click on activity number 2. and then you can work on that particular activity. So I can select the experiment for activity number 2. This is on facilitated diffusion, and go from there. If we go back to the PhysioEx page here where it lists all of the exercises, then you can go back to, actually I need to go back to this tab here, where it has your PhysioEx exercises. Then you can go back to the study area within mastering, and you can work on something else that you want to take a look at. Maybe you want to go back to your e-text. If we go back to our main Canvas page, after you've done the homework, you can go to the next page in your module. There's a quiz for mastering. Now that we're logged into mastering, if you just click this tab, it will take you directly to the assignment within mastering. So here we have our calendar view again, and then here's quiz number 1, and you can go ahead and take quiz number 1 directly through mastering. So those are some things that are helpful for you as you navigate through mastering. I hope this helps, and take care.